short video, but I wanted to show you guys these Converse shoes. I will stick a photo in of what they looked like previously. They were a slate blue color. Both pairs are actually the same color. I filled a bucket full of water and I put one small bottle of bleach in there, and after about 10 hours or so I didn't really see a ton going on, so I poured another whole bottle of bleach, small bottle, in there, and within 2 hours we got these. I don't know if you can tell, they're kind of like a pink color now. They looked darker, but as they're drying they are lighter. So I'm not sure how much I like them now. I mean, they're still a cute color for spring. I did miss part of like this part here didn't bleach as much, so it's like a little purpley looking. I do have some tie-dye, red, blue, and pink, I think. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I debated about, for these, like maybe drawing with some tie-dye, like hearts or something on them. I don't know. These ones I then left overnight, and as you can see, they're like a tan or very, very light pink color. Not completely white, but this part is really white now in all of them. So anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those either. I decided to bleach them because I had them listed for a long time. I was going to donate them because I got no interest. And I saw like some Pinterest stuff and I was like, we'll see what happens. So I don't know if I'm going to tie-dye them. This one I just feel like would be really cute with like some little hearts or something on it. I don't know. We'll see. And then I do have to buy some laces as well. I have not done that. It looks like Walmart might have some cute laces. So we're going to do that. Leave below what you think I should do. And just let me know what you think of how they turned out. Alright. That's all for today. Just want to show you that quick little thing. If I do anything else to them, I'll make another quick little video. And remember, to help control the pet population, have your pet spayed or neutered. Bye guys.